So there's a mistake I see all the time with ARV, and almost nobody talks about it. It's not just using bad comps. It's assuming your property belongs in the same market segment as your comps. And let me explain. So investors will find renovated properties, nice finishes, updated kitchens, modern layouts, and they'll say, okay, this is my ARV. But what they don't ask is, does my property actually compete with these homes? Because just doing a renovation doesn't automatically move your property to that same buyer pool. Every neighborhood has tiers. There's an entry-level renovated tier, a mid-level renovated tier, and sometimes a higher-end finished tier. And buyers in those tiers are not the same. They have different expectations, different budgets, different standards. So what happens is an investor renovates a property, and expects to sell at the top of the market, but the market still sees it as a lower tier product. And even if it's fully updated, and that gap between where you think it belongs and where the market actually places it, that's where deals fall apart, because ARV isn't just about condition, it's about positioning. Where does your property sit relative to everything else around it? What buyer is it actually attracting, and what are those buyers actually paying? The investors who really understand this don't just renovate to look nice, they renovate with a specific market segment in mind. And that's a completely different level of analysis. And to learn more, if you're an investor, visit our website at grhvaluations.net.